Hello, Newlands, and welcome to Friday's Celebration Assembly. I'm so excited. I hope everyone is doing well. It's been a bit cooler this week, but I've listened to the weather and they said next week is supposed to get warmer, so that'll be good for us, won't it? So nice sunshine if we can get out for our walks every day to get that vitamin D to help us feel fit and healthy. So make sure you do that. Now, this week's challenge has been a good challenge. It's been around creating daffodils. So you could have colored them, you could have drawn them, you could have created them using lots of different materials you have around your house. You could have made daffodil wreaths, or you could have also written some poems, which I know some of the children have done. So let's have a look at what we got up to this week. Aren't those daffodils beautiful? What a creative group of children we have at Newlands. Well done. I'm really proud of all of you. Now, next week there will be another challenge, so make sure that you listen on Monday, find out exactly what it might be. Now, it's time to talk about awards and going for Gold Award. Are we ready? Right, going for Gold Award. I need to put on my glasses. You know, Miss Prince, she has to have her glasses on to be able to read. So, we have for going for gold, we start with Oxford class. In Oxford class, we have Sophie for logging into and playing Times Table Rock Stores every day this week. Well done, Sophie. In Cambridge class, we have two children. Both of them are for the same thing, Casper D and Abigail, and this is for their continued effort and enthusiasm when completing and sending in their learning via the email. You know, the teachers love seeing your work that you're sending them via email, and I get to see them as well, so fantastic. In Edinburgh class, there are two children as well. I know Miss Keenan couldn't figure out which one to choose, so she chose both of you. And they are Layla for her amazing effort with her work pack and playing Times Table Rock Stores every day, and George T for completing all of his work pack and working hard to stay fit and healthy. Excellent work, children. Now in Cardiff 1 class, we have Oliver. Now, Oliver's been working really hard and being proud of his work, and he has been sharing that with his teacher, who's been also very proud. We also have in Cardiff 1 Harry for his amazing bee poem and for making his teacher smile. And I have to say, making me smile too. And our poet that came and visited us at Christmas, he got to see that poem too, and he loved it. Well done. If you haven't seen it, go on Twitter and listen to Harry's poem. Now in Cardiff 2 class, we have Poppy, and that's for her working so hard at home. Wow, Poppy, I am seeing so much of your work on Twitter. Excellent. Well done. In Liverpool, we have 2 children. We have Dylan K for super creative making of a daffodil, and Scylla for super effort with all her home learning. Well done, children. Also, we have Avie May, so there's 3 of them. Wow. Avie May for her fantastic reading of her own books. Well done, Avie May. Now in Hall 1, we have Casey for accessing Timetable Rock Stores every day without fail. And in Hall class, we have Maria for completing all of the tasks that have been set and accessing websites to help her as well. Well done to both of you girls. Now in your class, we have Julia for building a brilliant house and retelling the story of the 3 little pigs. In Leeds class, we have Cohen. This is for hard work at home, completing a wide range of activities, doing bike riding, dancing, singing, and wanting to play traffic lights because he wants to get to gold. Well done, Cohen. And in Chester class, we have Isaac. Now, Isaac has been using a maths online game for the first time, and he's been trying so hard, and we're really proud of you, Isaac. Well done. Wow, what a fantastic group of children we have for Going for Gold Award. Now, are you ready to hear who is getting the Year of Respect Awards? So, Year of Respect. The awards go to, in Oxford class, to Leela for showing enthusiasm towards her schoolwork. Excellent. In Cambridge class, we have 2, Ben and Jessica, and this is for showing joy and kindness this week. We all need a bit of joy and kindness. Well done. In Edinburgh class, we have so many. So we got Lottie for perseverance with some tasks at home, even when she found them tricky, and showing respect for her own learning. And for Julia for self-respect, ensuring that her learning, she's learning every day, and also she not only learning every day, but to a really high standard. So excellent, Julia. And also she should be proud because of her respect for her younger brother, who she's been doing shared reading with. And I got to see that on Twitter as well. Fantastic, Julia. In Cardiff 1, we have Caden, and this is for putting in fantastic effort at home, producing great work, logging into Timetable Rock Store nearly every day, and helping to make his dinner. Are you going to come make my dinner, Caden? In Cardiff 2 class, we have Noah. This is for persevering even when work was getting tricky. Well done. Well done, Noah. Now in Liverpool, we have it going to Ella. She's been so kind and thoughtful. She made Miss Terry a cord, and I know that really made Miss Terry's day. Thank you, Ella. Well done. Now in Hull 1 class, we have Elizabeth. This is for respect for herself by keeping up with her online challenges and tasks from teachers. And in Hull, we have Freya for planting vegetables in her garden so she can water them every day and watch them grow. You know what, Freya? I've been doing the same thing. We should share our gardens together. Now, in your class, we have Evie for her daffodil. She persevered and made the flower out of mosaic tiles. Wow, that must have taken a bit of time. Well done. In Leeds, we have Samuel because he's been kind to his little sister and letting her join in the singing and dancing activities. I like hearing about that, Samuel. Excellent. And in Chester class, we have Jacob. This is for he and his family have shown respect for the NHS by making a display in their living room window. Well done. Thank you, Jacob. And thank you, Jacob's family as well. I'm sure everyone enjoys seeing that display in your window. Wow, what an amazing group of children we have for our Year of Respect Awards. Well done to all of you. So, it's Friday, and now it's the weekend, but not only is it the weekend, it is Easter holidays for the next 2 weeks. So, for the Easter holidays, the teachers won't be putting on many lessons onto YouTube because it's the holidays and you need to take a little bit of a break. But I will be back on Monday putting up another challenge for all of you to try for the week. And on Fridays, I will again give you a video, and there'll be the Mrs. Prince Awards for the fantastic challenge task that it will be set. So keep on looking out for me, doing the challenges, sharing with Twitter those challenges, and watching me. I might even read a book or two. What might I read? Don't know. Check out the story time next week for stories that you might find me reading. All right, children. Remember, listen to your parents. Listen to your carers. Do what they say to keep you safe. And I know that can be difficult when you want to get out and run about. But keep safe. And I'll see you on Monday. Have a good weekend. Bye.